Good afternoon. Mike Macomber here at Tully Rinckey, providing you some information about the EEO complaint process and the differences between ADR, or alternative dispute resolution, and traditional processing of an informal complaint. Now, during an informal complaint, one of two elections need to be made by the individual, and that is either attending ADR or settlement or traditional processing. Now, what to do to decide between the two depends on what your goals are for the EEO process. If you elect traditional counseling, it will consolidate the issues, move your case along a little bit quicker, and close out the informal EEO process within around 30 days. There may be some additional extensions of time requested by the agency in there, but it's a much more faster process. This will then move you on to a final interview and then ultimately a formal complaint that needs to be filed within 15 days. That then moves on to the investigation stage, where the agency will conduct an investigation regarding your EEO complaints. Now, ADR, on the other hand, is an opportunity for both the agency and the employee to sit down and see if there is a resolution of the claims that can happen. Now, this will generally extend the time for the parties to review the issues in the informal EEO process, but it may result in attending a mediation or settlement to lay out what it is that you are looking for. ADR is generally advisable as a cost savings mechanism if you're looking to resolve your claims early on. But again, both sides need to participate. The agency can decline participation as well as the individual there. If a settlement is reached at a mediation, then ultimately that settlement will be confirmed in writing so both parties know what it is that they agreed to. It's very important in the EEO process, especially in the beginning, to think about what your goals might be, because that is going to control the decision as to whether or not you elect traditional counseling or the ADR process. If you've already had an initial interview, you can still make an election, usually within a reasonable amount of time after contacting an EEO counselor. If you have questions as to whether or not you should elect traditional counseling or ADR, feel free to contact us at Tully Rinckey and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you.